So guys, for the first step, you want to head over to search and type in CMD. Then you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. Now once you're on this, you want to type in sfc /scan now and then click on enter. Then you want to run the scan. Now once the scan's running, we're going to head over to search again and type in CMD again. Then you want to run it as administrator again. And then click on yes. Now once you're on this, you want to type in DISM /online /cleanup -image /restore health and click on enter. Now you want to run both these scans. We can run it in the background as you complete the next steps in the video, so you just want to minimize both of these. Now for the next step, you want to head over to search and type in date and time settings. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to make sure that you have set time automatically turned on. You want to make sure that you have your correct time zone also selected. Then you want to scroll down and then you want to click on sync now. And now for the next step, you want to head over to search again and type in services. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to click on any service and then click on W on your keyboard. Then you want to scroll down until you find Windows Update. You want to click on it once and then you want to click on restart the service. And now for the next step, you want to head over to search and type in troubleshoot settings. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to click on other troubleshooters. And then next to Windows Update, you want to click on run. And now it's just going to detect your problems. If it finds anything, it will fix it for you. Now once you've done that, you just want to check on your scans, see if they're being completed. This one's still going, and this one's been done. So once you complete all these scans, you just want to restart your computer, and then the problem should be fixed.